So what I did is I just went down under like that and like that, the connector clip, and then it's connected right there. So don't want to rip that or break it. And then this is a T50. Got it right here. And yeah. Alright, so it's coming off already. And then the whole belt just falls off like that. And there's a little black ring that goes around this. One of these things. It goes just like that. So this part is a little tricky as well. I didn't really understand it. So basically, it's clipped on, there's one clip there, two clips on top and bottom. So what I did is I just put my finger right under there, just like that. And I just went down, put my 3 fingers, and then I went to the bottom first, and you just pull it out. It should come off, but still be gentle. Jeep's pretty old. Just push it back and forth. And if one side's looser than the other, go on the tighter side to get it loose. They can both come out at the same time without breaking the other side. Right there. It's perfect. Still got the clip holder things, the Chrysler logo. And then a cool thing that I found was the Chrysler belt assembly tag. Came right out of that side, the left side. So these are gonna be T50s again. There's one right here. There's another one right there. Alright, so I got it off, and what I found to be interesting was that the bottom Torx bolt, you can take it off, but the top one, you don't really need to. For some reason, both sides. I didn't need to unscrew it out of this thing to get it out of the cage, the roll bar. So something to keep in mind, so you don't have to like keep cranking it like I was doing. So yeah, we're just it will be sticky like mine for some reason. But what is that? I don't know. But yeah. Alright, for the back seat, same story, same clip. You don't want to break that. Going from the side, screwed it down, and it'll come right out. Let's see if we get lucky. I can get this in the same video. Start from the side, put your finger in, and then it should come out like that. And you're good. That's how. Same T50 right there. Should drop. Alright, quick tip. So before you unzip, make sure you spray the zippers with WD-40, because man, these things were hard to get out, and you can't unzip them. What I did was, say the zipper was right here, I just pulled apart from the top, and the zipper would come down much more easily than pulling it down for some reason. But yeah, I got everything out except for these things. I'll have to take the windshield down to take that out. And yeah. Alright, hope you guys liked the video. And I'll see you guys next time.